Introduction to Batch Compression in PeaZip.
Need to shrink several files at once? PeaZip, a free and versatile archiving tool, allows you to compress multiple files in a single operation. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to select, add, and compress batches of files, saving both storage space and time. Let's walk through the simple steps to get started.
Opening and selecting files in PeaZip.
Start by launching PeaZip on your computer. Navigate to the folder containing your files using PeaZip's built-in file browser. To select multiple files, hold down the Control key and click each file you want to include, or use the Shift key to select a range. Once chosen, your files are ready for batch compression.
Adding files to the compression list.
With your files selected, right-click and choose Add to Archive. This will bring up PeaZip's archive creation dialog. Check the file list to ensure all desired files are included. You can also drag and drop files directly into the main PeaZip window to prepare for compression.
Setting compression options.
Now, customize your archive. Select the archive format such as zip, 7z, or tar, and adjust the compression level. You can also set a password for added security, or split the archive into smaller parts. Review the options, then choose your preferred settings for the batch.
Starting the batch compression.
When ready, click OK or Create to begin. PeaZip will process all selected files, displaying a progress window. Once finished, your new compressed archive will appear in the destination folder you specified. You've now saved space and made managing multiple files quicker and easier.
Tips and troubleshooting.
If you encounter issues, double-check file permissions and destination paths. For best results, avoid compressing files in use by other programs. Explore PeaZip's help menu or online user guide for more advanced features and support. Batch compression is straightforward. Experiment with different settings to match your needs.